everyone. The single one is here.
Let's make stupid jokes about when she's gonna meet someone.
Yeah. Actually, no. The single one isn't here because I'm here to announce to all of you that I have a boyfriend. Boyfriend. Hun. Well, you know what has to happen now. You're all gonna ask me a bunch of inappropriate questions about me and the relationship?
You got it.
Okay. Okay, first, what's his name? How did you meet? Where is he from? And how serious is it? When's he proposing? When are you getting married? When are you having babies? What's his salary like? How many people has he slept with? Is he good in bed?
Mom!
You have to test drive before you buy, darling. I did. Many times.
Hey.
With you, of course.
Oh.
Ooh, what's his star sign? I need the time and location of his birth. Did you tell him I'm gonna break his legs?
How's his jawline?
Does he wear Crocs? Does he call his mother every Sunday? What does he bench? Does he moisturize? Does he use sunscreen? Alright, stop. That was very weird. I'm not gonna answer any of your questions, but I need you to be on your best behavior because he's actually here to meet you. Everyone, this is Jake. Hello. Good luck. Hun.